In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up form in your Wix website. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have a fully functional pop-up to engage your website visitors effectively. Let's dive in. First off, you'll want to go into your Wix editor. Once you're there, look to the left and click on the plus add elements icon. As you navigate through the options, scroll down until you find interactive and select Lightboxes. These are the pop-ups that can feature forms or any interactive elements you want to include. Choose a template that suits your needs, whether it's for contact, subscribing, or a blank canvas to start from scratch. Once you've made your choice, click Add to Page. At this point, your chosen lightbox will appear as an overlay on your screen. A helpful tip here is to rename your lightbox to something memorable like Newsletter Pop-up. This can be done by clicking Menus and Pages, going to Lightboxes, and selecting Rename. This way you keep your elements organized and easy to manage later. With your lightbox in place, it's time to add a form. Keep your lightbox open and head back to the plus add elements section. Go to Contact and Forms and then into Forms. You'll see various options such as a contact form or a subscribe form, and you can drag and drop whichever form you choose directly into your lightbox. To personalize your form, click on Manage Fields, which allows you to customize form fields to capture details like name, email, or any message a visitor might want to leave. Additionally, connecting this form to your email marketing list or Wix automations can further enhance your marketing strategy. Next, we move on to customizing the look of your pop-up. Change the background color by clicking on the background and selecting Change Background. To edit text or calls to action, simply double-click the text box. If you want to add a logo or an image, go to Add Elements and click Image. Don't forget to style your buttons so they align with your brand colors, giving your pop-up a consistent and polished look. A pro tip is to keep your text short and engaging with catchy phrases like "Join our community" or "Get 10% off, subscribe now." Setting when and how your pop-up appears is crucial. Click on your lightbox, go into Settings, and under Automatically Display Lightbox on Pages, decide its visibility. It can appear on all pages or just specific ones. Moreover, under Automatically Display, you get options such as showing it when a visitor first enters, after a delay like 5 seconds, or even when someone